Are you tired of being the nice girl who always puts others first, only to end up feeling drained, disrespected, and stuck? If you want to truly reinvent yourself and stop settling for less than you deserve, you need to stop fearing your shadow. You need to learn how to be more than feminine. This energy isn't about evil. It's about becoming a woman who is quietly powerful and completely unapologetic. Hey friends, welcome back to Classy Muse. I'm Nhi, and I help women activate their divine power to become their most magnetic selves. If you're ready to totalize transformation, hit that subscribe button right now. To understand how to be more feminine, you first need to know the balance. Light feminine is your softness. The Disney princess energy of kindness and grace, but dark feminine, that is the queen. She is assertive, bold, mysterious, and seductive. She is the part of you that communicates limits and protects your energy. Think of women like Rihanna or Angelina Jolie. They aren't just successful, they are fearless. The first step in how to be more feminine is getting comfortable being the villain. This means you stop people pleasing. If you're on a date and the vibes are off, a dark feminine woman doesn't stay to be the polite. She says, "This isn't a match," and she leaves. She is okay with being the light if it means she's staying true to her standards. Your wants don't get met in this life, your standards do. The feminine energy is about being ruthless with your energy. If a job, a friend, or a partner doesn't meet your new upgraded standards, you don't ask them to change, you simply withdraw your energy. You move in silence because you respect yourself too much to stay where you aren't valued. A lot of people think being assertive is masculine, but there is a specific feminine way to do it. Masculine assertiveness is pushing forward. Feminine assertiveness is leaning back. It's quiet. It's a raised eyebrow instead of a raised voice. Stop over-explaining yourself. If something doesn't work for you, a simple "no, that doesn't work for me" is enough. Sit through those first few seconds of our silence. That is where your power lives. Also, embrace your mystery. You don't need to say every move you make. Moving in silence protects your energy from people who don't have your best interests at heart. Let them find out about your success after you already achieve it. To truly level up, you have to be a little bit selfish. The feminine energy is self-focused. It's the side of you that knows your needs, comfort, so you can truly feel. If you're always the one giving, nurturing, and caring without receiving, you will never reach your full potential. Being 100% that feminine isn't the goal, it's about the balance. When you combine your light, feminine grace with your dark feminine boundaries, you become a magnetic muse. You become a woman who knows her worth and isn't afraid to walk away from anything that doesn't serve her. I want to hear from you. What is one area of your life when you need to stop being the nice girl and start being the queen? Comment below. I'm reading all of your stories. If you find this valuable, give this video a thumbs up so more women can find their power. Stay magnetic. Love you. Bye.